Before you start learning, please check the instructions in the video description. Make sure you follow the learning tips carefully, and don't forget to turn on automatic subtitles and translate them into your language if needed. This will help you get the best results from the lesson.
The most. Thank you for the gift. It is the most beautiful. The most. Thank you for the gift. It is the most beautiful. Acting up. I wanted to take a photo of this most beautiful view, but my camera is acting up. Acting up. I wanted to take a photo of this most beautiful view, but my camera is acting up. Take for a spin. My old car is acting up, so I asked my friend if I could take his new Tesla for a spin. Take for a spin. My old car is acting up, so I asked my friend if I could take his new Tesla for a spin. Cling to something. You shouldn't cling to the map while you take the car for a spin. Just enjoy the road. Cling to something. You shouldn't cling to the map while you take the car for a spin. Just enjoy the road. The fold. After years of traveling, he returned to the fold and clung to his family for support. The fold. After years of traveling, he returned to the fold and clung to his family for support. Surly. One member of the fold had become quite surly and made everyone feel uncomfortable. Surly. One member of the fold had become quite surly and made everyone feel uncomfortable. Dealings. I try to be professional, but my dealings with that surly contractor are always difficult. Dealings. I try to be professional, but my dealings with that surly contractor are always difficult. Unfortunate. It was unfortunate that our business dealings ended in a heated argument. Unfortunate. It was unfortunate that our business dealings ended in a heated argument. Runaround. It is unfortunate that the customer service department gave me the runaround for over an hour. Runaround. It is unfortunate that the customer service department gave me the runaround for over an hour. Reputable. A reputable company would never give its clients the runaround when they ask for a refund. Reputable. A reputable company would never give its clients the runaround when they ask for a refund.